Hello everyone. I'm so glad you have joined me today. I am sharing with you another idea for the color combo Blackberry Bliss, Lemon Lime Twist, Starry Sky. Vicki and I are both using those colors this week and we're linking to each other, so make sure you check out the link below to see her video. I am focusing on these colors, so with that Today I'm using Nature's Prints, this little image. I cannot find my stamp for Timeless Charm. It's got the cutest little flower in it and I've used it a lot. I've put that stamp somewhere. So if any of you have any good juju, send it my way so I can find that stamp. All right. I'm also using Quiet Meadow for the splatters. I'm pulling in some of the Ribbon Duo Combo Pack. It has Petal Pink in here, but I'm going to be using the Lemon Lime Twist. My ink is Starry Sky and Lemon Lime Twist. I am using Blackberry Bliss for my pattern paper, so I'm not using that. I have the die to cut out that cute little flower, so I have that. And then for my card, I have a card base that's white, that's 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. I have 3 pieces, because I don't know which color I'm going to use, Blackberry Bliss, Lemon Lime Twist, or Starry Sky, and they're all 4 by 5 1/4. I have a piece of white that's 3 3/4 by 5. I have a piece of Blackberry Bliss that is 2.5 by 3.5. I have a piece of the Neutrals paper in Blackberry Bliss that is 2 1/4 by 3 1/4. And I have a scrap of white. So we're gonna get started. All right. Oh, I didn't pull in my sentiment. Okay, I will be adding a sentiment. Totally forgot that. But let's get started. I'm going to stamp my image, this flower, in Lemon Lime Twist. All right, and I'm going to stamp it right about there, because then, ooh, that's not a good image in the middle. Okay, flip it over and try again. I'll press hard in the middle. Yeah, that's better. And I don't have to worry about that because I'm cutting it out. And that's what I'm going to do. I am going to take my die and I'm going to cut this out. All right, there's my image. So let's get our layer put together. These 2 pieces are going to get layered together. I'm going to clean off the tip here. All right. These colors are definitely a challenge, but we're working with it. Okay. And I'm going to put that panel right there. This, and I need another one of these because that's a big space. So let me stamp another one and cut it out. Sometimes you have to modify. And this is a case where I'm going to modify. Make sure I press in the center so I get that image. All right, let me cut this one out. All right, now I'm going to put these on with dimensionals. And always remember to use the back of your image. All right, let me have this. I'm going to put my pin in so my bottle does not clog up. All right, so I'm going to put one here, one here, and one here. Oops, nope, I'm gonna have to use a smaller piece there. So let me get a strip and I'll cut a smaller piece. The strips are perfect for these little tiny pieces. All right, much better. All right, and I'm not worried about the tips. All right, I will take that off with my fingers. All right, this is, all right, I'm gonna put this one here, and I'll put this one coming out like so. So I've hidden it behind that. And if need be, you can always put a little dot of glue there. All right, so I've got that. Now I need to get my starry sky in here. So I'm gonna add some splatters with the starry sky. And I wanna get a scrap piece of paper to put down. Oh, that's really dark. I think I'm going to stop there. I kind of like the fact that it gets lighter. I think I should have probably off-stamped it a couple of times, but that's okay. It'll be unique. All right, now I have to decide what color I'm going to put this on. So I have this, not bad. I kind of like that because there's so little of that color. It really makes it pop. Yep, I'm going with the lemon lime twist. All right, so with that, I can put my card together. I love it when I'm putting getting my card finished and putting it together. Such a fun idea. And it's nice to see it totally completed. There's a sense of accomplishment there. All right, let me find my bone folder over here. It was buried. Now I can put this panel on. Obviously, I got something all over there, but it didn't show up on the front. Don't know. Not sure what it was. All right, there we go. And my bow. All right, and I think I'm going to put my bow at the bottom of the flowers. So it looks like a little nosegay. Don't forget, check out what Vicki did. She has definitely chosen some colors to challenge us this week. I'm looking for, here they are. Underneath are all of my glue dots. Now, don't do what I do. I put these things back on wrong, and consequently they get stuck to the wrong side, and then I can't use them. And see, that putting that little bow there helps to hold that nosegay in place. And you know what? I don't think I'm going to put a sentiment on there. So there's the second idea for our color combo. And I used the flower and the splatters off stamped several times to decorate the inside of my card and envelope. I hope I've inspired you to play with these colors. Vicki and I are trying different color combos in hopes that it will inspire you to look at your colors differently. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button below. I'm getting close, working my way there, one subscribe at a time. Have a terrific Tuesday. Bye.